So, hi everyone. I would like to welcome you all. So, today we present you with our weekly technical insight on what is Connect Edition. And today I am going to cover the how we can set the pressure constraint within the system with the help of Darwin Designer tool. So, before proceeding further, as always, I would like to give a brief intro about our company. So, Capricorn Technology is a Win Zero company which is having a legacy of over 3 decades, has now become a partner of choice for the AEC industry. Capricorn Technology is one of the biggest player and a partner of Bentley and Autodesk along with the authorized training center. So today, with over 10 offices across India and 300 plus Aspire team members, we are serving over nearly 20,000 customers in the building, infrastructure, manufacturing, along with a large number of other industries as well. So, hey, let me introduce myself. This is Pranjal Verma, solution specialist in water and wastewater, working at Capricorn, New Delhi. Will present you with the weekly insights. Okay, understanding what we are going to cover today. So, objective of this entire insight is to understand the importance of the Darwin Designer tool, also followed by the understanding the selection set tool, which can be used for different scenario, not only for one particular analysis, but a selection set can actually work with different category. And lastly, how to assign the pressure constraint value by the Darwin Designer. So let's just switch to the software and we'll show that how we can do it. Okay. So let's suppose this is my some random distribution network, and we have to go for the pressure constraint value within this system. So using Darwin Designer, actually, if I talk about the Darwin Designer is an efficient method for designing a new pipe layout and the pipe rehabilitation project. You can set the pressure constraint value. You can set the mm, velocity value according to your needs. So it allows the user to design pipe for an existing model either manually with efficient genetic algorithm in more automated fashion. So it allows for multiple design candidate to be presented. So the best solution to a given system can be found. And once the simulation is being done, those solution can also be exported into a new scenario for use in an existing water system. So how to do it? Once you go to under the analysis tab, you'll find a Darwin Designer tool. So just clicking on the drop down menu and just go for the Darwin Designer. So for the Darwin Designer, dialog box will be appear from here. We can create a new designer study. So I'm just creating a new designer study. After creating a new designer study, you have to select the representative scenario. So whatever scenario you have created or on what scenario you wanted to set the pressure constraint value, you just select that scenario. I'm just selecting optimization base. It's totally depend on your choice. Then from here, design under the design event, you have to create the one design event like what your requirement. So let's suppose I have the requirement of the, okay, I want some required pressure within the system. So this is how you can rename it also. It will easily to identify. Then after that, here you can see that pressure constraint tab is there. But before going to this, I'm just going to minimize it and I am going to, create a selection set for all the junction at one go. So to do that, under the view option, we have the selection set option. Clicking on it from here, just you can go for the create from query. And from the query, you just select all your junction and just add it. And okay. And now again, you can just rename it by clicking the right clicking on it and rename it and name it as an okay. This selection is my for all the junction and click okay and close it. Now back to the Darwin Designer dialog box. Once I go to the pressure constraint tab, here we can find the initialize table from the selection set option. Just clicking on it and I'll just select the selection set that we have just created all the junction and okay. So we can see the minimum pressure column and the maximum pressure column has been appeared. And from upper box, you can just give the value. So whatever value you want to give according to your need, you just give the value so that according to your need. So you can see the value is also been updated within this tab also. And if you wanted to change your for unit and formatting, so from here you can actually change the unit as well. So here, whatever unit you want, Pascal and PSI, so that unit also will be updated automatically. So this is how you can, the first thing you can do for the pressure constraint within the Darwin Designer tool. Okay, so I hope you guys had an insightful session. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the updates. We would be delighted to hear from you. So do reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. So see you next week with the next insight. Thank you, everyone.